Don't skip this video. If you are a small struggling YouTuber, you are struggling to grow your channel, this is the video you need to watch right now. Hello guys, and welcome to another episode of Level Up with Emmanuel. And today in this video, I'm going to be sharing with you things you should know as a small struggling YouTuber. When you get into the YouTube platform, things you should do and things you shouldn't do. All right, so without wasting much time, let's get started to today's video. Now, number one thing you need to know as a small YouTuber is persistence and perseverance in the business. If you are just starting into YouTube program, you have to be persistent and persevere. Why do I say you need to be persistent and persevere? If you don't have the perseverance in you, you might quit alongside, because YouTube is not really easy if you are just starting out new. Mind you, if you are starting out new, if you want to succeed as a new YouTuber here in this YouTube app, you need to take away any spirit of instant gratification. That spirit that is always telling you that once I get into the YouTube platform, money will start flowing. That spirit that keeps telling you once I sign up on YouTube and post my first content, views will start coming up. That instant gratification mindset, take it off. Because if you sign up as a content creator on the YouTube platform with instant gratification mindset, you are going to wind off in no time. Because by the time you get started, you post your first content, second content, third content, no views, no subscriber, you will lose hope and conclude that the app or platform is not paying or is not working. So make sure you take away any instant gratification mindset from your heart if you are starting out as a new content creator here on the YouTube app, right? Second thing you need to bear in mind, you need to be consistent. Consistency is the key to growth. If you want to grow as a YouTuber, you need to, have the mindset of being consistent. Consistency does not really mean you posting every now and then, or you posting 3 to 4 times in a day. No. That's not consistency. What YouTube describes as consistency is at least posting 3 to 4 times in a week, or 3 to 2 times in a week, or just have a particular time you post your content. Either at least I would recommend you post at least 3 times in a week if you're just starting out. If you want to grow faster, 3 times in a week is not bad. And make sure you continue and maintain that schedule. If you are posting Monday, Wednesday and Thursday, make sure you keep posting Monday, Wednesday and Thursday. As time goes on, you will need to study your analytics to know when your users or when your viewers are most active, and then make sure to post that particular time your users are usually active. If your users are active by 6 a.m. or 6 p.m., make sure you post by that time, and please stay consistent on the process. If you are not consistent, you are going to find it so difficult to grow here on the YouTube app. Number 4 thing I'm going to be sharing with you is posting quality video. Now, if you want to grow here on the YouTube platform, you need to learn how to post quality video. When I'm talking about quality video, I'm not talking about your camera, or I'm not talking about your setting, your background. Quality video, in a sense, you're going to post something educative, something that have message you are passing out to the viewers. If your video does not have a baseline, you don't have a point of view where you are arriving at, your subscribers will not watch your video, and also people coming to your channel will not want to subscribe, and also will not like or see your channel interesting. So if you want YouTube to promote you, if you want YouTube to push you, you want to grow here on the YouTube app, learn to post quality over quantity. Some of you post 10 times in a day, 3 times in a day. In a week, you post like 20 content in a week, and those 20 content you are posting out there cannot even meet up when you go to a quality check. Right? You cannot even meet up to anything reasonable, but you're just posting. Maybe you're walking on the road, you post yourself talking randomly and then post it. That is not what YouTube is all about. Even if you are into vlog, you want to talk about your lifestyle, your day-to-day activity, there are ways you need to do it and package it so that people watching you will find it interesting. You don't just walk on the road and start videoing yourself and then post it on YouTube. Maybe you are sleeping, you put your camera on and then video it and post on YouTube because YouTube asks you to post regularly. No, That is not it. So you have to learn how to post quality over quantity. So number 5 and the last I'm going to be sharing with you is learning the basic YouTube optimization. If you have the basic YouTube optimization skill, growing here will be very easy for you. Now, what are these basic optimization skills? Learn how to do YouTube SEO. SEO stands for search engine optimization. Some of you, I see how you guys messed up your YouTube title with hashtag. Your titles are very irritating with hashtag. That is not what YouTube wants you to do. If you learn the basic SEO, growing your YouTube channel will be very easy and stress-free for you. Now, basic SEO such as how to title your video, how to use the right tag on your video, how to use the right description on your video, and also your channel keyword, how to use the right keyword on your channel, and how to use the right keyword on your video title. So these are things you need to put in place. These are things you need to learn and master if you want to grow here on the YouTube app. There are some other tips which I'm not going to be sharing here, but regularly I'll be dropping tips on how you can grow your channel. But these are just 5 important tips you need to have in mind if you are starting out as a new YouTuber. All right, so guys, we actually done on this video. If you like it, please do it to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Once you subscribe, don't forget to on notification bell icon so you'll be the first to be notified once I drop videos on YouTube Grow tips. So guys, thank you for watching and have a wonderful day. See you at the top. Bye.